that was freaky.
Dude, that sounded like there's a freak.
I was trying to figure out if it was just rain or if it was wind in there with it. Because I was like, alright, you know, this ain't all that fucking sturdy. I mean, it's good, but good gust of wind coming from this direction, right up under, and blow the top right off.
Yep.
And they're just held in with fucking nails.
Hey, what you do when that happens? We go back to the car and get the fuck out of here.
Okay. Save the cameras and get in the fucking car. Cameras are the #1 priority. Oh well. Way over there. Comes again. Oh yeah, windshield. Here within the next 10 minutes or so, the wind's going to start coming from this way. Blow from there, right towards it, yeah.
It's all possibility of this not going on.
I think it could take up to probably about 70 or 80. After that, no time. I don't think it'll quite get to 80. Highest so far has been about maybe 45.
So far, they predicted what, 70?
Yeah, they did say it was weakening as it was coming out of K4SWX monitoring. We're in the fucking rain now, we ain't gonna see shit.
Big drops.
Well, we got lightning, we got rain. Ain't take fucking pictures of it. What for fucking blowing through? Oh boy.
The last of the red.
Must be really coming down over there. But notice something, check this out. Look at the drain over there.
Yeah.
Look at the one on this side. Barely anything coming out of it.
But the rain's going that way.
Yeah. It's hitting this side of the roof and going down.
We call it a roof.
Roof. You know, you got the yawl and the Ewins and the
Yontu.
Yontu. Alright. Oh damn. Damn.
That sign
Might have a problem at the house.
Do what?
We might have a problem at the house. Look at the way the wind's blowing. This way. Right at the front of the house. Air conditioner, windows, water, outlets. You jinxed me!
Well, at least the sun's gonna live up to its name. At least the sun's gonna live up to its name.
Yeah, the boat dock.